Hello, I'm Shamin Singleton, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make an even moss stitch. Now we'll chain 19 plus 1, 20. Now you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 plus 1, 20. So now we will begin our first row. Now slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Leave this chain and start with the second chain from the hook and make a slip stitch. In the next chain, make a half double crochet. Now insert a crochet hook in the next chain and make a slip stitch. Insert a crochet hook once again in the next chain and make a half double crochet. Now in the next chain, make a slip stitch. Once again, yarn over, insert your crochet hook in the next chain and make a half double crochet. Your pattern should begin with a slip stitch and end with a slip stitch. The even moss stitch crochet pattern is a repeat of slip stitch and half double crochet. Now once again insert a crochet hook in the next space and make a slip stitch. Now once again yarn over and insert a crochet hook in the next space and make a half double crochet. This is a very simple but very beautiful crochet pattern. You can use this pattern to make baby blankets, coasters, washcloths, etc., as this pattern has a very beautiful texture, or you can say fairly dense texture. This pattern begins with a slip stitch and ends with a slip stitch. Now we are coming to the end of this row. Your last stitch should be a slip stitch. Now we have completed the first row and both the sides it looks the same. Now your turning chain is 1. Chain 1. Now insert your crochet hook under the V shape and make a slip stitch. Now yarn over and insert your crochet hook under the V shape the 2 strands and make a half double crochet. Now once again insert a crochet hook under the V shape and make a slip stitch. Now once again yarn over and insert a crochet hook under the V shape or the 2 strands and make a half double crochet. Insert a crochet hook under the next V shape or 2 strands and make a slip stitch. Now yarn over, insert a crochet hook under the V shape or 2 strands and make a half double crochet. This pattern is a repeat of slip stitch and half double crochet, and you begin with a slip stitch and end with a slip stitch in every single row that you make. In this even moss stitch crochet pattern, all the stitches are lined up or stacked up and half double crochet as well. Remember to insert your crochet hook under the 2 strands or the V shape. Now we are coming to the end of the second row, and the last stitch should be a slip stitch. Now we will insert the crochet hook in the last V shape or 2 strands and make a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and under the first V shape make a slip stitch, yarn over and under the second V shape make a half double crochet in the next, that is just above the half double crochet you make another half double crochet. Now over the slip stitch you make a slip stitch, over the half double crochet you make a half double crochet. In this way you complete the next row. You can use a thicker crochet hook for your chain or your foundation stitch. For the rest of your work, you can use the recommended crochet hook. This technique can be used for almost all of your crochet projects. And now we are coming to the end of the third row as well. And we end it with a slip stitch. Keep repeating the same process until you get the desired size for your project. Now this is the last. I will be repeating this process, and in this you can see exactly where to place your crochet hook. Under this line in each pattern you can see a line, a slant line. Over the slant line you insert your crochet hook, and you can see it's under 2 strands, and you can make your half double crochet. Next you'll see a space, and you insert your crochet hook under the V shape and make your slip stitch. Repeat this process. I hope you have all enjoyed watching this simple beginner friendly tutorial, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please consider to like, share and subscribe. Your support will help me to continue with my passion of sharing my knowledge on this platform of YouTube. You can see all in a line. Insert a crochet hook over the slant line. So now we are coming to the end of this tutorial, and I want to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers for supporting me. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Stay connected, and I will meet you in the next tutorial.